European fashion is known for its elegance, sophistication, and a perfect blend of classic and contemporary styles. Whether you're exploring the streets of Paris, attending a formal event in Milan, or enjoying a casual day in Barcelona, European inspired outfits can help you achieve that effortlessly chic look. Here is a guide to dressing in European styles, capturing the essence of fashion capitals across the continent. The Parisian look is all about understated elegance and effortless style. Think neutral colors, simple cuts, and timeless pieces that never go out of style. A beige or camel trench coat in a Parisian staple, paired with slim jeans, a striped Breton top, and polished flats for a quintessentially French look. A well fitted blazer can elevate any outfit. Wear it over a simple white tee and pair it with high waisted trousers or jeans. Every Parisian wardrobe has a versatile LBD. Wear it with a pair of pointed toe flats or heels and a chic handbag, a silk scarf tied around your neck, or a handle of your bag adds a touch of Parisian sophistication. Milan is the fashion capital of Italy, where style is about luxury, quality, and a touch of drama. Italians love a statement piece, and a beautifully tailored coat in a bold color or luxurious fabrics is a must. Think deep reds, emerald greens, or rich browns. Milanese style is all about impeccable tailoring. A well fitted suit, whether in classic black or a trendy print, is perfect for both men and women. Sleek heel boots in leather or suit are perfect for adding height and elegance to your outfit. Gold jewelry, whether it's a pair of hoop earrings, a statement necklace, or a chunky bracelet, adds a touch of Italian glamour. London fashion is eclectic, mixing traditional British style with edgy contemporary trends. A tweed jacket or blazer adds a touch of classic British charm to any outfit. Pair it with a turtleneck and jeans for a modern twist. Embrace the British love for plaid and checks with a tailored coat, trousers, or a scarf in these classic patterns. For a bit of London edge, pair your outfit with Doc Martens or similar chunky boots. London weather can be unpredictable, so mastering the art of layering is key. Think oversized sweaters, long coats, and scarves. Scandinavian style is all about simplicity, functionality, and clean lines with a focus on quality over quantity. Stick to a neutral color palette. Whites, blacks, grays, and beads are staples. This creates a sleek, minimalist look. Cozy, oversized knit sweaters in neutral tones are perfect for staying warm while looking effortlessly stylish. Comfortable yet chic, wide leg trousers in a neutral color are a Scandinavian wardrobe essential. Clean white sneakers add a fresh modern touch to any outfit. Spanish fashion is vibrant, bold, and full of life, reflecting the country's rich culture and warm climate. Ruffles, polka dots, and red bold colors bring a touch of Spanish flair to your outfit. A ruffled blouse or dress can be a showstopper. Spanish women love sharp tailored trousers paired with a feminine blouse. Add a pair of heels to complete the look. Embroidered bags, shawls, or belts with traditional Spanish patterns add a unique touch to your outfit. Don't be afraid to incorporate bright colors like red, orange, and yellow into your outfit. A vibrant dress or top can be both stylish and festive. Dutch fashion is practical, comfortable, and often features sustainable and eco friendly brands. Berlin's fashion scene is all about being bold, unique, and often a bit rebellious, reflecting the city's creative and diverse culture. For a touch of southern French glamour, like think light, breezy, and effortlessly chic. No matter which European style you are channeling, the key is to combine comfort, quality, and touch of personal flair. Mix and match these ideas to create your own unique European inspired outfits that are perfect for any occasion. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.